Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with popular email marketing platforms. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and from here what we're going to do in order for us to install the apps that we need in order to be associated or to connect our shop with the popular email marketing platforms is go here into the app section at the left side. And you can see here the recommended apps option at the search bar. When you click the apps right here, this would pop up. So click on the recommended apps. And from here, you can click here and go to Shopify App Store, or you could go here with the recommended apps right here. If you something piqued your interest, let's go here on Shopify App Store. And from here, you can see a bunch of apps right here available for you to use on Shopify. For example, this Facebook and Instagram Meta. This is something that you need in order for your shop to connect with Facebook and Instagram, and that way you can install the ads for your Shopify and something like that. Yeah, you could connect it with this app right here. But we're going to connect this with popular email marketing platforms. So what we're going to do is just simply go into the Google and we can search for the popular email marketing platforms and Shopify apps, or you can simply go and browse here in Shopify App Store. If you'd like that, you can also do that, but we're gonna go here so that we can have an easier time and would save a lot of efforts. So from here, we can actually see this piqued my interest right here. 11 best Shopify email marketing apps and platforms right here. So when you view this right here, you can actually see every apps right here that is recommended. So we have Omnisend, and Blue, Moosend, and so much more right here that you can use in Shopify apps to associate your shop with popular email marketing platforms. So to go there, for example, when you are here, is that you can simply just search it. For example, the one that we will be searching right now is Omnisend right here. So we'll be searching for Omnisend right here. Right here, there. And as you can see, no results found because you need to click here on search for Omnisend in Shopify App Store. And once we are here, we can now see the Omnisend right here. So you just need simply to click on it so that you can add the app to your Shopify. And from here, you can just learn how to do it. And yeah, that's basically on how you can associate your shop with popular email marketing platforms here on Shopify. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.